What is your name?
My name is Sita.
Very good. I'm going to ask you next question, okay?
Okay.
Who is your role model?
My role model is Mummy.
Very good. I will ask you another question, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, your third question is, what food do you eat for breakfast every day?
I eat idli and dosa.
Really? Idli and dosa. Wow, great, great, great. Okay, your fourth question is, what game do you play?
I play football.
Can you speak loudly? Satama pesriya. What game do you play?
I play football.
Very good. Hi, Emima. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. What about you?
I'm fine too. Okay, I'm so happy to ask you some questions. Are you ready?
Ready.
Very good. Your first question is, what game do you play every day?
I play volleyball.
Volleyball. Very good. Okay, who is your role model?
My role model is Mummy.
Mummy. Your mummy. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, next question. What food do you eat for breakfast?
I eat idli and lemon rice.
Oh, idli and lemon rice. Okay, I think it is your favorite food, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, next question. Okay, okay. I thought to ask you another question. That's all. Bye.
Bye.